Cincinnati's certified most accurate forecast.
Well, there's not really going to be much falling from the sky, but boy, the winds are howling across the area tonight. In fact, the number of power outages has been on a steady increase, and as a result of the wind. For that reason, a wind advisory has been put in effect for the entire WLWT viewing area. We're talking sustained winds on the order of 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts that could close in on around 50 at times. To be quite honest with you, I think our winds have really peaked here within the past hour or so, but it's still going to take a while for them to gradually subside through the night. So there still will be occasional wind gusts around 40 through the rest of the night. But you can see here, notice how the bright colors really jump off your television screen. Widespread sustained winds 20 to 30 miles an hour, both here in Cincinnati and Wilmington within the hour. Sustained winds have topped 30 miles an hour. But I've been watching these numbers, and overall, they have gradually begun to slowly kind of tick their way back here, as I think the winds have generally peaked or gotten as strong as they're going to get within the past hour or so. But Dayton's had a gust of 40. We've gusted over 40, and I've been keeping an eye on the winds back across Indiana and Illinois tonight, and I've been watching these wind gusts come down. So that's what leads me to believe that we've seen the worst of the wind for tonight. But at least for the next several hours, probably, we still could have an occasional wind gusts close to 40. Bringing it back downtown here, you can see how Old Glory is stretched out in the wind. Fortunately, it's a mild wind right now. It's 41 degrees officially at the airport. There's that west wind with gusts over 30. So there's the storm system tonight that's moving from Chicago to Detroit. All the snow has been across northern Ohio, parts of Michigan and Indiana. We're on the warm side of this with windy weather conditions. When you wake up in the morning, we'll be on the backside of this storm system. Fortunately, by then, the winds will have begun to come down some. But look at temperatures this evening. Everyone generally in the 40s. That southwest wind, temperatures actually climbed into the mid-40s early during dinner time. It's 45 in Aberdeen, 44 in Brooksville, 40 in Florence, 41 here in Cincinnati. You're beginning to see those temperatures fall back again now in southeast Indiana into the 30s. Even around the metro, temperatures are beginning to fall. So over the next few hours, temperatures will begin to crash as we get ready to tumble back into the 20s. Don't expect much to fall from the sky tonight. There may be a stray flurry somewhere, but for the most part, it's going to be a dry night. No travel problems in the morning. It will be much colder, though. Remember, we're around 40 now. By the time you wake up in the morning, it's going to be in the mid-20s, and temperatures tomorrow will only hover around the freezing mark. As I mentioned, fortunately for us, there won't be as much wind during the day tomorrow. So Futurecast. Clouds in the morning. It'll take us a while to break out of the cloud cover, and then some few peeks at the sun probably by afternoon. And then clearing skies tomorrow night will make for a cold night. On Friday, another weak system will come through. It looks moisture starved as well, much like this one. So aside from some clouds, maybe some breezy conditions on Friday, Friday's just simply going to be cold and dry. So windy conditions through the remainder of the night. Those west winds gradually decreasing will fall to 24 by tomorrow. In the morning, cloudy skies, some afternoon sun, freezing cold, freezing for a high around 31 tomorrow. Here's a look at your day planner. It will still be a tad bit breezy first thing in the morning, so wind chills will likely be in the teens. That's why I say it's going to feel much different than it does right now. And then tomorrow, temperatures kind of hover close to the freezing mark a good part of the day. Here's your 7-day forecast. At least we warm up over the weekend. How about temperatures return to the 40s, both Saturday and Sunday? You'll be able to enjoy it on Saturday, as Saturday looks like a nice and sunny day. Not so much on Sunday because we have the chance for rain in here by early afternoon, and that rain will likely linger into Monday.
I'm telling you, this one will make your belly laugh. Here, a couple